Cleaning your boat should not feel like punishment after a long day on the water. Using the wrong tool makes it harder, slower, and less efficient. The all-around boat cleaning kit from Captain's Preferred Products give you the right tools for the job. A quality brush, an extendable handle, and pro-grade cleaning gear to make washing your boat fast and easy. This kit includes a 5-gallon bucket with sturdy rope handle, a dirt trap to keep grit off your brush and sponge, our premium wash and wax boat soap, our quality boat brush and the choice of bristle hardness, our extendable handle, a sponge, a microfiber wash mitt, and a shammy to dry it all off. This is the essential kit for any boater who wants to have the right tools for the job, all at a discounted price when you buy it as a bundle. Check out our reviews and see why boaters are making the switch to Captain's Preferred Products. Upgrade your cleaning kit today at captainspreferredproducts.com.